Hello friends, welcome to Kadhai and Grill. Today, I'll show you what I do when I have some leftover tandoori chicken in my fridge. I love to do these fusion cuisines, so today it's Mexican and tandoori fusion. The other night, I grilled some tandoori chicken and I have some leftover boneless chicken pieces. I cut them into small chunks, which I can use in my tacos. I'm using flour tortillas for today's dish, but you can use corn tortillas if you like. I like my tortillas heated up, so I just toasted them on a pan. Mint chutney or hurry chutney, whatever you call it, is a perfect combination with tandoori chicken. Cilantro is one thing which is used both in Mexican and Indian cuisine. For me, no tandoori dish is complete without chaat masala. So put a generous amount of chaat masala on this taco and enjoy it. Squeeze a good amount of lime or lemon juice and enjoy this fusion taco. Thanks for watching my video. Please click on like and subscribe to my channel.